in here already.
At the roundabout, take the second exit to A458. At the roundabout, take the second exit to Stourbridge Road. At the roundabout, take the second exit to A458.
Where is it?
I don't know, that's that. I don't know how you get into the bugger. Oh, there you go.
Shall we turn in now?
Yeah, we're just going to have to wait. You can't go totally around with a bloody caravan on the back.
Arriving at Stanmore Hall on the right.
We are a bit early.
I know,
Here we are now. We've moved up to Stanmore Touring Park, which is near Bridgnorth. So it's another Morris leisure site. So we've had the same offer, 3 for 2. So we'll be spending 3 nights here. We're on another fully serviced pitch, so I'll show you around that. Weather's clouded over a bit actually. It turned out to be quite sunny on way up, but we'll show you the pitch we're on. So we're on the adults only section. So you would have your awning and your car, I think, there. There's not a lot of room actually. May just be enough room for an awning, I don't know. But we've got to park it that way because you've got to have your rear end against the white peg. So I've got my insulated jacket on again, and I only needed 1 hose for this pitch. Only a short distance for it to drain as well. Little lift up grate there. And round the back you've just got your freshwater electrics and a TV aerial, but I've used my Caravan aerial. I've got 168 channels and 66 radio channels, so I've got plenty to choose from, and we're all nice and level. So this is the adult only service pitches, or super pitches as they call them. There's quite a few of them around here. Protected behind hedgerows. I'll show what's around this corner. I'll have a quick look. I think you might have a few seasonal pitches on here as well. You know, I'm not sure. So that just goes round to that corner there. So that's your adult only hard standing place, and then just on the other side of our caravan is adult only grass pitches, which I'll show you as we walk round. Right, I've put my coat on, we're going to have a little walk round. We arrived about 12:30, we're a bit early because it was sunny, 37 minutes from Ludlow Touring Park, but they let us in at early, so we're quite happy about that. So we're all set up in about 20 minutes. So we'll have a little look round. It's another quiet site at the moment, but it is Thursday, so I would say quite a few people might turn up this weekend. We'll see. So you've got a nice big lake in the middle anyway. So we're just set up the other side of that hedge there. It's like a dead end road actually. And nearest service points here. Got plenty of wildlife. There's a few caravans actually. The old ducks are coming, thinking they're going to get some food. Actually, they're good pictures facing over at lake actually. They're family pictures by the looks of it, I think. We're on the adults only part. So this is your facility block over here. Reception and that. So we'll go and have a little look in there. That's certainly a good old tree. Got its branches propped up. That end there. So just behind me you've got your adult only area, but these are all grass pitches, which is where the wonderful big tree is. It's certainly a big lake though, I admit. Very nice place, very nice. Right, so we're coming up to facility block now. I'll see whether there's anybody in and we'll have a look inside. So you can even have a cup of coffee and coffee and cake in the little conservatory now. You buy them in the shop. There's a bit of ice on the pond, I can hit ducks on it. Skating on thin ice. Aren't they? So that's your vegetable prep area in here. So you've got 4 sinks. We've got some peacocks. Wash sinks. So these are showers. Nice roomy showers actually. So you've got a washer and dryer in your laundry room, and a couple of hand wash sinks and an iron, and it's 4 times £1 for a washer and 4 times £1 for a dryer. So we've been to all the Morris leisure sites now. This was the last one the one we'd never been to before. 2 peacocks. Hello. So we arrived that way. Look out for the sign and the drive to the touring parks up here. So you just drive up to the barriers and go and see reception, and they'll allocate you your pitch. So as you say, you drive round here. That's your checking in lane there, and this is your access when you're already checked in and everything. You get allocated a key fob foot barrier as well when you checked in. So once you're checked in and that, you come through barrier and follow the instructions to get to your allocated pitch. So all these are hard standing electric. Round here, which probably all for families and that, if you just don't want to be on the adult only part. Actually, it's a bigger site than what I thought it was. So follow the road round, as you'll have seen on arrival video anyway. There's a few more on this one than there were at Ludlow anyway. And the Wi-Fi is free as well now. You used to have to pay for Wi-Fi at one time, but it's free now. Another service point there. So all these will be hard standing electric round here. So there's one or two grass pitches which aren't in use at the moment due to wet weather conditions. Those are the pitches that look over the lake. They look like they're just hard standing by the looks of it. And in this corner you've got a bit of a children's playground. We'll have a look in there for any children turn up for weekend. Yeah, you've got some swings and a slide there for children. So if you've got children and you're on a grass pitch, it's ideal, because these are grass pitches here. Or hard standing pitches here. So we're just coming up to your dog walk, which is between pitches 49 and 50. But I don't know how far it goes or whether it goes round in a circle. We'll have a quick look. So like I say, this is your dog walk. Fairly extensive. It goes down there and looking like it goes all the way up here. So it's a fairly extensive dog walk and you're overlooking open fields. Well, I'll go back to a little walk round. Is he tending the grass and that, raking the leaves up. So you've got plenty of little service points dotted around. He's going to start with leaf blower in a minute, so I'll stop here. So this is where we enter in the adults only area, which is the grass pitches and hard standing. So that's near enough a circuit of what we've done. Back to near enough where we're pitched. out to the lake. So we'll have a walk down the other side of the pond. Lake. It's bigger than a pond, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yes, it's certainly gone a bit chilly and overcast, hasn't it? Like I say, these are just hard standing electric, aren't they? Yeah. Oh no, these are serviced, aren't they? Yeah, these are serviced because they've got the drain and the tap. They're hard standing electric, and these are service pitches which overlook the lake. It's a bad view. So if you come at weekend, it's at school holidays, you could get one of them. Yeah.
So you could get one today, but
Yeah.
mate, it's not.
No. There's even two grass pitches just behind us, behind Edge. That's us over there. Well, it's certainly a lovely sight, I must admit. Right, we'd like a little walk round. It's getting a bit chilly now, so not sure what we're going to do while we're here. Probably going to Bridgnorth in a bit, or maybe tomorrow and have an explore at Bridgnorth, and hopefully get to a few other places if they're open. Fingers crossed. Just have to have a check on websites because a lot of places aren't open at the moment. So we're nearly back to Caravan. So if you've liked what you've seen, please don't forget, give us that thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed, please consider subscribing and click that little notification bell. And we'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.